Hey guys, it's Josh at Kenworth of Richfield. We just got in this W900 and it's in sparkle gray. And we absolutely love this color. So we've got it in a W900, a T880, and a T800. Dude, you're late. Sorry. Nah. Hey guys, Josh at Kenworth of Richfield. We're going to talk about this 2020 W900L with the 86-inch sleeper on it. This one has a sparkle gray paint job, and I've got a little bit of sunlight today, so we're actually going to be able to let it shine. And it does a great job of it. So guys, with this being a sister truck to the ones that I've done recently, if you haven't seen those, by all means, make sure you go back and take a peek at those. Really great looking trucks. But once again, all the shiny bits that you expect. We've got the polished quarter fenders on this, polished tank with the wide straps on it that are also polished. Chrome stacks, of course the duals. It's got the Kenworth logo in the side of it. Big 15-inch air cleaners on both sides with the elephant ears. We've got Moto mirror up top that's got the adjustability from side to side. We've got the convex mirror on the bottom, both of them are heated. Up front, we've got the nice big flat bumper for you. What else do you want out of a W9, right? So guys, on this truck, it is a 565 horsepower, 1,850 foot-pound of torque Cummins X15. With it being that horsepower and torque rating, yes, it is the performance option. The other great part of the Cummins Performance Series engine that they really knocked it out of the park on is that they were able to get all that performance out of this engine and still keep fuel mileage right where it needs to be. So guys, at the back of the truck, it's really set up to be ready to go, but also ready to customize if you want to do that. This has full deck plating on the back. We've obviously got the pogo stick to hold the hoses up, keep them from dragging. Back of the bunk here, we've got two separate sets of floodlights. That way you can light up the trailer as you're backing up to it. On that side, we've got a toolbox in there for you. Over here, we've left it as open frame space. If you want to put an APU on, or if you want to put another toolbox on, we've got that available for you. Once again, we've made it sharp looking, but left you the room to customize it, and we can even do that before you roll down the road. So guys, here at the back end of the truck, in order to make sure it's useful for years to come, we've got a Holland fifth wheel. It's got a mechanical release on that, but you've got an air slide underneath that. Down at the bottom here, we've got the AG400 suspension. That is the 8-bag suspension. It's non-torque reactive. It gives you a really smooth ride, and on top of that, gives you really good traction in those awkward situations you may find yourself in. Inside the rear end housings, 355 gears. Paired up with the 18-speed and that Cummins X15, you've got a really good combination to get you down on the road in a hurry, not spend your entire budget on fuel doing it. So guys, this does have the, as I mentioned before, the 86-inch studio sleeper. This is the VIT interior. It's all the button tuck. It's just a super nice setup, very comfortable inside. Once again, you've got the smart wheel, you've got your flashers, you've got your lights, you've got your cruise control, you've got your J-call on here. The interior of this truck really is a great setup. It also has a nav plus in the dash too, in case you get lost. Not that you'd ever do that. So guys, as I mentioned, it's all the diamond button tuck back here. This is the model with the sofa. It's got the bunk up top. We've got plenty of storage space around you here. Lots of nice wide open floor space. I've got the fridge over here. I've got the control panel for everything back in the sleeper for you here too. Up top, we've got the spot to anchor down your microwave and things of that nature. Yes, it even comes with that good old mirror there for you. So that way you can wake up in the morning and really realize how you look after a couple of days on the road. Nonetheless, I want to thank you guys for once again watching. By all means, make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell so that way you know when the next video is coming out. Most of them I've been releasing on a Thursday around 11:30 or so. If you enjoyed this, by all means, give us a like. If you'd like to see something else on the truck, if you have a question about the truck, or if you just have a Kenworth question in general, by all means, put that in the comments below. And as always, stay safe out there, keep it rubber side down, and I will catch you on the flip side.